Waiting for me again? Hi, buddy. Come here. Come on. Come on, Chip. Come here. Chip, Chip. Come here. Come on, Chippy, Chippy. Chippy, where are you running to? Come on, Chippy, Chippy. Chip, Chip. Come on, honey. Lawnmower scaring him. Neighbor's mowing lawn. Alright, well come over here where there's no mower, okay? Come here, Chip Chip. Come on, Chip Chip. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come here. Come on. Get up here. Come on. I'm sorry about that guy with the mower. Little boy. Where's your son? Or your other Chippy? Take a bit and take this one. No? Alright. Well, come on back. I'll give you this one. And there he is. There's another one of the babies. Let me turn it around so you can see better. There's a... around there. Chip Chip! Oh, it's right there a second ago. Probably behind the tank. Chip Chip! There he is, right in the middle. There's the little guy. That's a different baby. You got two babies I can see. Hi, buddy. What you doing over there? Eating grass, Steve. Eating grass. That's what babies do.